Yep, this is Satyajit Chennu. So today the main agenda is to discuss about Google Colab and GitHub repository. So Google Colab is a Python development environment that runs in the browser using Google Cloud. So this is how the notebook looks like. Before starting into a notebook, so we need to mount the Google Drive so that like we can upload our document or notebook into the drive, and we can upload into Git repository as well. So so these are the basic commands to import all the required functionalities. So like this is how we need to run the commands using Google Colab. So it's done, the packages are being downloaded. So this is the data set. This is it will read the file from this path, and it will show the data, like what is the data available in that file. So like it will convert into string. So there are many operations. This is the basical operations, and tokenized text, like that, printing the text in a tokenized. So like we can split into the words, and we can split into the sentences. This is like splitting the sentences, and this is we are splitting that whole paragraph into a words. So these are the basic operations, like to find the frequency distribution, and to find the most common words. These are the plotting graph of the all the words, like how many times it's being repeated, or this graph shows all these things. uh, and about we can see how many and is repeating for 3 times, and this colon is repeating for 2 times. We can These are the main basic operations. This is like we have two options to mount the Google Drive. One is we can click this button, so it's already mounted. So to unmount, I need to click this button. So or else like we can hit this command to mount the Google Drive, so that like we can save all these operations in our drive. So like my first data analysis task is about word cloud. So like we can see the words, like where I have shown in a text file, like as we this is a way, this is the text in a normal manner. So like we can see in a word cloud. So this is how we can see. For this we need to perform some commands, so we can maintain axis. So we can maintain some fig size and colors, the fonts, like this is a font size given 10. So like this is a text, like where we are saving the whole sentence. So it will grab the words, and it will make a plot in a appropriate manner. So we can design, we can change the width, we can change the height. So like it depends upon our requirement. So okay, this is how, see, like the width has been increased. So like we can decrease the height as well. Like this is how the word cloud looks like. So now you can see the height has been decreased, and it will be like, yeah, like it's still loading. So it will show the text in this way. The background, we can change the background color as black, yellow, like that. See, so now the height has been decreased, and we can change the background color as yellow, like that. So we can, like, it's customized kind of commands. We can change whatever we want. See, this is how it look like. So on my data analysis task 2 is removing punctuations from a paragraph. So like these are the punctuations. Just I am declaring initializing the punctuations. Like depending on the requirement, we can remove or we can add. So these are the known punctuations. So we need to declare the punctuation, initialize the punctuations, and to remove those punctuations, like we have for loop and if loop. So we need to iterate each and every word, and like if you find this punctuation here, so it will remove, like it will replace with an empty string. So the main function of this for loop is it will iterate all the words. So this is the normal word, so it will iterate like each, and like it will iterate, it will go to the first, like for example in the first loop the python will go and it will check for this, like whether this exists or not. So and then the second, like if comma goes, so like it will reiterate and it will remove if and all punctuation is there. So this is the task 2. And coming to my task 3, removing stop words from a sentence or from a file. So this is stop words. Like what is stop words? Like means in a sentence these things are not mandatory, so this won't change. Like suppose in a sentence called this is Sai Teja and I am doing a job. So for example I is not required here, so some of the few words from English or like you can see, like it will these are the libraries, like we already downloaded stop words from library. So it will download and it will this is the program to remove stop words. So like first of all it will import all the stop words, like where from here, and then it will import word tokenize and all those things. So like if we take this sentence, like this is a sample sentence showing of the stop words filtration. So in this sentence like we have few words is a like these are the stop words. Like if you run this function it will remove these words, like these stop words from here. So that's how it is. Yeah, like this is the end of the session. Thank you.